Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories, XRP's market cap momentarily surged to trillions of dollars on Gemini crypto trading platform. Crypto lawyers on Ripple Labs case adamant that XRP is not a security amid appeal from SEC. Slowing US inflation data inspires hope for a rally in crypto market. Shiba Inu among top performers this past week as BTC continued to trade flat. India aims to use crypto tokens to digitally sign documents. If you're new to our channel, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos to have a closer look at Bitcoin's performance in the crypto market. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Don't get left out of the latest crypto news by smashing that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Also, share our videos with your friends who may also be interested in crypto and investing. Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss the headlines. To kick things off, we're taking a look at the XRP token as its market cap momentarily surged on the Gemini crypto trading platform. Soon after Gemini relisted XRP on the exchange, low liquidity caused a temporary pricing glitch on Gemini's platform. It is reported that XRP temporarily surged to $50 on Gemini, which skyrocketed the token's market capitalization to trillions of dollars, if only for a few minutes. The XRP price shot up to those levels for a few minutes on Thursday evening before it was immediately reverted to parity with the spot markets on other exchanges. The bump, which only took a few seconds to correct, was likely the result of low liquidity in the hours following a token relisting on Gemini. A buyer may have placed an outsized market order, which was filled at an outrageously high price. Price chart data showed that XRP traded at levels higher than the broader market for at least a few hours. Market observers on Gemini stated that a seller may have placed a spoof order at $50 per XRP, which was unintelligibly filled by a buyer who may have made a mistake on the trade. Market depth data shows XRP liquidity on Gemini remains generally low, with only a $37,000 order required to move prices by 2% on the exchange. In contrast, the same price move on Binance would require at least $2.2 million. Gemini relisted the XRP token after July's court order in favor of Ripple Labs. The federal judge who presided over the case ruled that the offer and sale of XRP on digital asset exchanges did not amount to offers and sales of investment contracts. This means that XRP is not a security in certain cases. The SEC sued Ripple Labs in 2020 with allegations that the crypto firm sold XRP to US customers without adequate registration. At the time of this report, the XRP is changing hands at $0.629. In related news, crypto lawyers on Ripple Labs case are adamant that XRP is not a security, despite the filing of an appeal by the SEC. Lawyer Oscar Franklin Tan believes that if the appeal is allowed, whoever wins will build momentum in the main case. On August 9, the SEC sent a letter to Judge Annalisa Torres in which it stated that it was moving to appeal the recent court decision. The SEC added that it warrants a fresh look by an appellate court. The SEC also requested that the judge put the case on hold while the appeal is in progress. The recent move by the SEC triggered questions among community members, with some thinking that the SEC's move to appeal is a move to challenge the non-security status of the XRP. Crypto lawyers assured the community that this was not the case. According to crypto lawyer Jeremy Hogan, the two issues are separate. Hogan further added that if the SEC wins the appeal on the sales, Ripple would not be able to facilitate sales using exchanges. Hogan, however, thinks that exchanges could keep XRP listed as long as Ripple Labs isn't making the sales. According to crypto lawyer Oscar Franklin Tan, appeals usually take place once the case is finished. The SEC's appeal is interlocutory, which means that the agency wants to appeal even though the case is unfinished. Tan believes that the appeal will not have an impact on XRP's security status. He continued by saying that the SEC wants this and is working to have the Torres decision from July overturned. The SEC is currently challenging the judge in the XRP case using the verdict in the Terraform Labs case. Tan argued that even though the SEC has the right to appeal any court ruling, the SEC should let the legal process play out as it normally would. In a statement from Tan, he said that the SEC should have provided clearer guidance before taking anyone to court. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, told the community to stay tuned, noting that Ripple will file its response with the court by next week. Moving on, the slowing US inflation data leaves the crypto community hopeful that this will lead to another rally. The BTC price dipped on Friday morning in Asia. The token fell below the $29,500 threshold, and ETH also edged down as other top 10 non-stable coin cryptocurrencies traded mixed. Market experts are expecting BTC and ETH to remain steady in the short term before a potential rally backed by easing macroeconomic conditions. The US core inflation data came in lower than expected, which strengthened bets that the Fed will pause interest hikes, while global equities were mixed. According to data, while Bitcoin slightly dropped in the last 24 hours in the Asian markets, it gained 0.95% for the week. BTC hovered around the $29,500 line after it reached a high of $29,688 overnight. ETH was also down in the past 24 hours and was trading at $1,851.14. However, it did post a 1.08% gain for the week. The price of BTC and ETH has barely moved as traders and investors digest the CPI numbers. At the moment, the market is expecting the major pairs, BTC and ETH, to continue to trade in a tight range and likely trend higher. The slightly lower inflation data is what crypto-native people are always eagerly looking at for forecasts. According to reports, the CPI headline may trigger a rally in the crypto market. Another macroeconomic factor that market analysts are taking a closer look at is the spot Bitcoin ETF applications made by numerous investment firms. Approval for any one of the applications can trigger a rally, which can significantly raise BTC's price, dragging along other cryptocurrencies with it. Moving on, we're taking a look at Shiba Inu, which became one of the top crypto performers this past week as BTC continued to trade flat. According to reports, the SHIB token was up by as much as 5% in the past 24 hours despite a market-wide downturn. Market data and charts indicate that SHIB has been one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies in the past week. This was amid low volatility conditions for BTC. Shiba Inu have risen 20% over the past week compared with nominal gains for BTC and ETH. Among altcoins, higher returns were generated only by Rollbit and Unibot. Trading volumes hit $315 million over a 24-hour period on Thursday, which was the highest point since February. Kaiko, a crypto analytics firm, pointed to increased developer activity on Shiba Inu. Kaiko pointed out that the price gains weren't without cause. Shiba Inu developers are vying to be decentralized finance powerhouses. Investors are likely buying tokens ahead of the expected launch of Shibarium, which is due this month. According to reports, some of the bullish sentiment came as developers stated that they would tie digital identity verification to all Shiba Inu developments in the future, including Shibarium. Dubbed the Self-Sovereign Identity, or SSI, the IDs are said to be the digital alter ego of identity documents, such as driver's licenses and passports. In the digital world, SSI will give users more control over their personal data and its distribution online. The Shibarium launch and the development of SSI will likely propel Shiba Inu to new heights. Traders and investors are eagerly anticipating these events, and many are already buying SHIB in anticipation. To wrap things up, we have India aiming to use crypto tokens to digitally sign documents. The Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, or MITY, wants to give users the ability to use crypto tokens to digitally sign documents in a new indigenous web browser. The development assumes significance because India has not yet brought forward any legislation in Parliament for Web3 or cryptocurrency. India is known to push for global crypto rules as the G20 president. India's central bank also opposed legalizing cryptocurrency but promoted its central bank digital currency, or CBDC. At the moment, the Indian finance minister has not yet taken an official position on whether it would legalize or ban crypto, despite bringing it under global anti-money laundering standards and taxing it. The announcement to let users be able to digitally sign documents using a crypto token aims to bolster secure transactions and digital interactions. These are the latest news stories we have for you today. Don't forget to check out our daily market report videos for an in-depth look at Bitcoin's performance in the crypto market. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching.